and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make shrimp linguine. It's a basic recipe. Everything is going to be made fresh. So let's start here. We have a tricolor linguine we're going to use, and we're going to bring our water to boil first. Fresh linguine I'm using, tricolor fresh linguine. It doesn't take time, take about 3-minute boiling only. So it's about like, I would say about 60 to 70 grams of fresh linguine. Put them in a boiling water. Chop our vegetable and saute them. And we need here a lot of olive oil. Voila, don't be cheap on the olive oil when you make Italian dish. Olive oil, onion, garlic. That's the main ingredients for your dish. Voila, let's warm up our oil to a medium to saute our vegetables. Voila, I want to start with the onion first. Onion and peppers and the garlic goes first in the frying pan. Voila, they're ready to go into. Let's check our pasta here. Nice, tricolor, fresh linguine. Beautiful. And our vegetable saute in here. Now we're gonna slice our tomatoes. Voila, our diced tomato, fresh tomato, ready to go. Now when you add the shrimp, we're gonna cook it with the vegetables here, and as soon as your shrimp turn completely fully pink, that means your shrimp is ready, fully cooked. Voila, as you can see here, the shrimp start turning pink, and as soon as completely pink, no gray color in it anymore, that means your shrimp good to go. Doesn't take long, it's about a minute and a half, and your shrimp is fully cooked. Beautiful, beautiful, look good, smell yummy. And we're gonna add now a little herbs here. We're gonna add a sweet basil, dry basil, and we're gonna give it a little kick here, a little touch of chili pepper. And salt and pepper for sure. Salt and pepper always for a taste. And now we're gonna add our tomatoes. Voila. Nice. Tomato halfway cooked as well. Almost everything's ready here. So now let's create the sauce. What I need here, I'm just gonna use water from the pasta pot. Here you go, and the pasta good to go. Turn off. Voila, put it here. And let's add some tomato paste to thicken the sauce a little bit. And of course, doesn't hurt, the fresh parm, and we'll leave some for the top. Now let's add some pasta. Voila, nice, look at this. That's a shrimp linguine with a fresh sauce, basic recipe, easy to make. Nice. Our pasta is good to go. Shrimp linguine from scratch. Yummy. Voila. Let me put a couple of shrimp on top. Beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Just a small tiny Garnish here. Finish it up with the fresh parm. Voila! Shrimp linguine. It's all yours to enjoy, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.